20 rows of teeth, serrated, replaceable, endless, a bite force strong enough to crush bone, a predator that can smell blood from kilometers away, the most feared hunter in the ocean, and yet, take it out of the water, and it dies in minutes. The ocean is not a battlefield, it's a volume, three-dimensional, no cover, no walls, no boundaries. Prey can move in any direction, up, down, sideways, and visibility fades with depth. To hunt here, predators evolve differently. Orcas hunt in coordinated pods, intelligence and teamwork. Tuna rely on speed and endurance, constant motion. Squid disappear into darkness, camouflage and ink. The great white chose a different path. Don't hide, don't outlast, don't coordinate. Just end the hunt in a single moment. Let's break the machine apart. On the surface, a torpedo. 5 meters long, over 2,000 kilograms. But this isn't just size, it's design. The skeleton, not bone, cartilage. Flexible, lighter, less dense than bone, allowing greater buoyancy and agility in water. This is aerospace engineering, underwater, but cartilage has a cost. Out of water, it collapses under its own weight. The body isn't built to resist gravity. The great white is powerful, only where physics supports it. The teeth, up to 300 at a time, arranged in rows. Lose one, another replaces it. Each tooth is serrated, designed not to pierce, but to tear. This is not precision, it's destruction. One bite, massive tissue loss. The prey doesn't escape, it bleeds out. But this method has a weakness. The shark doesn't kill instantly, it waits. And while it waits, the ocean takes over. The senses. Smell, detecting a drop of blood across vast distances. Electroreception, reading the faint electrical signals of a heartbeat. Vision, adapted to low light, to the fading edges of the deep. The great white doesn't just see prey, it feels it. But these systems are tuned to water. Remove the medium, and the senses go silent. The liver, massive, oil-filled, acts as a buoyancy tank, keeping the shark suspended without constant swimming. Because here's the problem. The great white doesn't have a swim bladder. If it stops moving, it sinks. Let's run the numbers. Bite force, 10 tenths. Among the strongest in the animal kingdom. Designed to remove chunks, not subdue. Sensory detection, 10 tenths. Can detect prey without ever seeing it. Burst power, 9 tenths. Capable of explosive acceleration, launching from the depths in ambush attacks. Hunt success, 6 tenths. Efficient, but not perfect. Energy is expensive. And then, reality. Energy efficiency, 3 tenths. The great white must keep moving, constantly. To breathe, water must pass over its gills. To stay afloat, it must generate lift. To hunt, it must accelerate massive weight through dense water. Every movement costs energy. Miss a hunt, that's not just failure, it's dead. Recovery time, 4 tenths. After a high-speed breach, launching its entire body out of the water, the shark must recover. Muscles flooded, energy depleted, and in that moment, it's vulnerable. Fighting ability, 7 tenths. Against most predators, the great white dominates. But not all. There's one predator that rewrote the rules. The orca, smaller in some cases, but smarter, coordinated, precise. Orcas don't fight the shark head-on. They flip it, force it upside down, inducing tonic immobility, a paralysis response. The apex predator, frozen, helpless, and then they eat the liver. Only the liver, because that's where the energy is. In regions where orcas appear, great white populations vanish, not killed entirely, driven out, because dominance in the ocean is not about power, it's about control. So how does it hunt? Ambush. From below, the shark descends into the darkness, where light disappears. Above, the seal swims at the surface. Unaware, the shark tracks it, not by sight, but by the electrical rhythm of its body. Closer, closer, and then, explosion. 50 kilometers per hour. Vertical acceleration. Impact. The seal is launched into the air. The water turns red. And then, silence. The shark waits. Because in the ocean, Injury is death. But there's a deeper problem: reproduction. Great whites grow slowly, mature late. They don't produce dozens of offspring. They produce a few, and those few enter an ocean full of predators, including other sharks. Cannibalism, the first meal a great white may ever face, is its own kind. And then there's the real limitation. Not strength, not speed, environment. The great white is a perfect predator. In water, remove the water, and everything fails. The skeleton collapses, the organs compress, the gills stop functioning. The hunter becomes weight. Gravity wins. The great white is not the ruler of the ocean. It is a product of it. Every advantage it has exists because water allows it. Take that away, and there's nothing left. In the hierarchy of predators, it dominates its domain, but it cannot leave it. It cannot adapt beyond it. It cannot survive without it. Because extreme predation comes with a cost: dependence. And dependence is a quiet form of weakness.